Vela phela umbonile uJonas eshiya ama-mention akhe lezo zinto zakhe phezulu ey'nkulu ubanqamelo eya lapha yini leya ndlu leya nothi ancamele kuya laphayana kulowa mama kubuye ngene no-Ben10 leki nje enze imsangano kodwa sometimes bencamele ukuya khona. So ungathi-ke umuntu ngoba nakho ehlala emjondolo noma ehlala emkhukhwini noma ehlala ku-4 room wena uhlala kuma-big mansion bese ucabanga ukuthi into yakho indoda ngeke iye laphayana emkhukhwini ingancamela ukuyohlala khona emkhukhwini ithole i-peace ithole uthando ibe right izizwe indoda kunokuba ilokhu ikhonkotwa hey obani osport hayibo abantu besifazane singaphendukini osport kagcina kuthiwa osport amadoda manje why sekuyithi.
Guys, what on earth did I just watch? The entire matriarch uMacele uthethelela uJonas. What do you mean? I am in disbelief. I am shooketh. I am out of words. The entire whole of South Africa, even uJonas himself, guys, kona I video endi posted recently on my other channel whereby uJonas naye was rubbishing, was rubbishing his own character as uJonas. But uMacele is one of the very few people. She's the only person currently on social media othethelela uJonas. Literally, she's the only person who is saying the reason as to why uJonas is acting the way acta ngakhona, the reason as to why uJonas ethanda amantombazana eleqa amantombazana engoneli is because there is no peace in the house, is blaming everything on uJoyce, who is the first wife. Uthi if uJoyce ebemyeka uJonas, let him be, ngabe ayikho yonke lento ibisenzeka. Njani Macele, I am in disbelief. I'm so shooketh because also Umayeni naye, if you have not watched that video, Umayeni guys, it's below this video, right? Umayeni had a very different view. Ebethethelela uTata Musamseleko the same way uMacele ethethelela uTata Musamseleko. However, Umayeni ke ngoku yena ke, what is different about her views and her take is the fact that she was also not in agreement with what uJonas was doing. She even went as far as calling uJonas indoni usatane. But in her defending uTata Musamseleko, uye wayibona okanye uye wazibona izinto ezirongo ezenziwa nguJonas. Then ekugqibeleni, in conclusion, wathi uTata Musamseleko is nothing like uJonas. But ke here is uMacele. uMacele is telling us that listen up, ayikho into erongo eyenziwe nguJonas. Now I might be wrong, but I feel as though the only reason as to why uMacele would be speaking the way akhuluma ngakhona about uJonas is because yena as uMacele, she is on the receiving end of uthando nesithembu sakhe, whereas uJonas actually was assisted, angifuna ukuthi was being built by, but was assisted to be where he is today. It's because of uJoyce. Had it not been because of connections zikatata kaJoyce, uJonas would not be where he is today. So for uMacele to speak like this, I understand her, because there was once upon a time whereby uRadumseleko shared with us that uMacele is the only wife that is not working. All the other wives are working because basupporta uMacele. So yena uhleli nje as a queen there. So she wouldn't understand where Joyce is coming from. Everything they built together, and then now there's other people that are coming in. How do you expect Joyce to react? Ahlale asonge izandla and be this man's piece, amjonge, taking everything they worked so hard for. Ahambe ayoznika ezinye izikeberesh. No ways, Macele. Absolutely no ways. So guys, before I close le video lena, I just want to go ahead and read just a few comments of what people were thinking. I did see that is currently trending even on Twitter. So yeah, guys, people are heartful gesana. So one person says here, with all due respect, this is utter nonsense. If there are unresolved issues in the house, there will not be any peace. A woman cannot suppress her concerns and emotions because she's afraid of being labeled turbulent. A caring man will take time to address the matter and will even go as far as resolving the issue, right? And another person has come forward to share that Number one, I forgive Umacele. She doesn't know better. She's also with Umusa for her own selfish reason. Okay, same reason why Joyce didn't leave Jonas. Injalo lento. Okay, omnye ke uyakhalaza into Bible guys Umacele kunini ehamba therapist. Uthi ke she's been exposed to different characters, different perspectives and therapists here and there. I expect her to change her views a little bit. Umacele kosana wa accept udadu Musamseleko into ba makathathe itrain. Even today akazibona into yokubana it's enough is enough ngoku. The last person here is saying she is talking rubbish if she thinks bringing a man piece will stop him from being is verb. Now yes, she's regarded as the one that brings a bubble peace, but he went on and take other wives and still called her Ifenicha. Men are not the price shame, okay? For now, guys, because most of the comments, they are very disrespectful. Abantu babhale namagama that I'm not even allowed to be saying, uttering with my mouth there on YouTube. Never mind YouTube, even in my life, I just feel like if you don't know how to describe something or a person, just don't use those words. Go read a book or something so you can be able to describe izinto wena ongazithandisisi kahle. But nonetheless, you guys, abantu abaninzi, understandably so, even Jonas himself, like I said in the beginning of this video, does not want to be associated with Jonas. Okay, let me say Usdumo Mtshali, guys. He does not want to be associated with that character because he has never seen anything like that. Imbakyo ephayana, guys. Have you ever seen umntu obatya njengo Jonas in real life and then there's going to be someone ozomthethelela? So to a certain extent, I do understand why so many people bemthuka ke Umacele and are just so angry at her, guys. Even uDavido, niyamazi uDavido, mani follow you, paparazzi follow, lo afeba kakhulu, lo kawande ndlovu. Even uDavido himself, I was so shocked, I was in disbelief. Even uDavido himself was calling out on Jonas. Jonas is wild. That is uDavido, guys. So you can just imagine why people are literally so mad at Umacele for being the only person ozothethelela this Jonas that no one wants to be associated with. Even about Jonas themselves in this country and outside internationally, they don't want to be associated with the Jonas. So yeah, guys, ihambe kanjalo ke ivideo kaMacele ngicela sigqibezeleni live yabo. Guys, the reason as to why I'm splitting lives is because of the rules as YouTube. People are getting demonetized out here, so I need to talk for a very long time and then dependent live. I can't just live for, even if I'm going to be reacting to something, I can't just why react. I need to show YouTube that I'm actually doing something. I'm working. Ikoni commentary and the I'm adding value to lendo and the fact leyo upper platform. Yeah. So ngizocela ke masiqabezeleni the rest of the video. Okay.
Yo guys, leya show iyafundisa. Ifundisa abantu besifazane, ifundisa nabantu besilisa. Khona into ebiyadenziwa uJonas lapha. Ayisho abantu besifazane asebekhulile. Bayinake leyanto ukuthi amadoda nje akazwani neargument, akazwani nesicefe, ayayithanda ipeace. uJonas into abeyenza ebimxosha kakhulu, noma ningathi nguJoyce noma bangenzani, I don't have a problem mina. uJonas into mhlambe abantu besifazane bebefune bayinotice lapha kuyena ukuthi uma nje uzombangela umsindo, hayi badla shame noma ngabe busulungise ini kanjani beve lapha umahambe, okusho ukuthi amakhaya enu wenzeni abe woma be right, noma ngabe uzoba nayo argument noma nizophikisana kodwa ube nendlela ozokhuluma ngayo kahle kahle nomyeni wakho. Futhi umyeni wakho ke usukumazi nalento yokwenza isengathi anibaza abayeni, engathi asibaza abayeni bethu sibe sibazi. Uba bebike bathanda abantu besifazane ngahlangana naye vele bathanda yini ezomshintsha manje ngoba nakho usewashada mina, yabo into ezikanjalo nje. Kodwa ibhekeni le yokuthi uJonas into ade ifuna bekade kuyipeace, then ebantwini besilisa babheke ukuthi yini eyenze uJonas agcine sefa. uJonas ubengaphila nje, aphile nje kahle isikhathi eside, kodwa uJonas wayesebamba kakhulu unkosikazi wakhe uMamizala, uJay Mamizala, yabo niyalazi ke igama la Mamizala wami. Bembamba kakhulu noma akafuni ukuthi abahlukane, akafuni uJonas ukuthi ayeke indlela zakhe ukuze bakwazi ukuqhubeka benomamezala. So uyamcindezela ufuna ahlale kuyena noma esebona ukuthi no. So umamezala uJoyce wayeseyakhathala ukulokhu phela eyindoda ngifuna ukuhamba lana ngifuna ukushiya awufuni uthi sofa silahlane awufuni ukushintsha and phela uJoyce bengakathandi ukufa ngiyena so bengeke ibandla afa. Ingakho ke we-end up kuba uJoyce omtrephayo and mind you wamtrepha ngento ayithandayo. Meaning into oyithanda over uyigade ingabe yona futhi kubulalayo. Yes. Ulimela phela umbona uJonas eshiya ama mention akhe